Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by readying both devices. Charge the Fastrack watch above 50% and keep your phone within a few feet. Open the correct Fastrack app you installed and sign in. This allows the app to manage settings and sync data. Once signed in, grant Bluetooth and location permissions so scanning works reliably. Now power on the watch and place it in pairing mode, usually via settings connectivity. Doing this first prevents dropped connections and speeds up the next scan step. You'll now let the app discover the watch. Tap Add Device or Pair and wait through the device scan. This scans nearby Bluetooth peripherals. When your Fastrack name appears, select it and verify the pairing code shown on both screens. Confirming prevents accidental links to other devices. Once paired, the app will request notification and background access so calls, messages, and activity sync seamlessly. Make sure to enable these, otherwise notifications and continuous heart rate updates may not arrive reliably. Finish by letting the app perform the initial sync. This transfers settings, updates firmware, and installs watch faces. Configure alerts, do a test call and send a message to confirm notifications, and trigger a quick activity to ensure steps and heart rate show up. If something goes wrong, reboot both phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth and location, and try repairing. If firmware failed, retry the firmware update over stable Wi-Fi. One good reboot often clears stale Bluetooth caches and restores normal syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.